Hey guys, back again here. A few figures that I got this February. Wolverine, pretty awesome figure. Harley Quinn. I didn't have any intention of buying it, but the exclusive was sold out, so I went to the wait list and I got one. The problem with this figure is the joints are very loose. Sorry. So she cannot hold anything. I'm getting a replacement today. Hopefully I don't have a problem with the other body. This guy, I got him from Typhoon Toys. Everything else I got from Sideshow. This guy is amazing. I think it's the best Sideshow 1/6 scale to date. The Clone Troopers are awesome, but they are made by Hot Toys, not Sideshow. So, and that was the exclusive part, which I think was a must. It's pretty awesome. And after seeing a few videos on YouTube, like MRA and some other people, I went to corner store. What did I get there? I don't remember. Oh yeah, I got a 3A figure because it was 25% off. I'm gonna make a video afterwards. So I saw this in person, actually back in New Orleans when I was there. I was like, wow, this is incredible. I think it's the best NECA figure ever. I don't like NECA much. The paint job on this is amazing. Has some articulation in the mouth. It's only like $45. This thing is awesome. So that's what's been happening this February. That's what I got. I'm doing some changing here in the room. Change the bed from that wall. So my intention is to buy 2 more cabinets. And I bought like an IKEA for my statues. Right now I'm putting some Hot Toys there. And some Sideshow, so I can finally display some of my statues. And that's about it. Alright guys, thanks for watching.